Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Last night we had a pretty big rainstorm, so I had to cover up the roosters and the hens. Sorry for the shaky video, my phone's been having quite a bit of problems. I was hoping for some eggs today, but kinda lucked out on that. I decided to let over one rooster to keep the hens company. I really need to find out why these hens aren't laying eggs. We had more visitors, 2 bunnies. Checked in with the cats today. They seem to be doing alright. I think this rooster thinks he's a cat. I imagine this cat shooting lasers out of his eyes when he's seen this chicken eating his food. The wolf puppies were playing in the rain, so they're all circling me right now. And then here's our Dogo Argentino. He's a really big dog. Here's our dog named Karma Blue-Nosed Pit Bull. Here's our oldest dog named Rip. Thank you for watching today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.